Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will show you how to add tags to your YouTube video. So the first thing you want to do is go to upload video. At upload video you will have to select a file. So you want to drop a file in there. And over here you have the description. Then you can do how to change. Then you can make a title, and then you scroll down, you press more options, and at more options you can add tags. So the title of this video is how to change Netflix quality. So for example, I can add Netflix as a tag. Another great way to find good tags is to use rapid tags generator. You just add your title. Let's see what the title was. How to change Netflix quality. And what this website does, it finds the best tags for your video. So you can simply just copy all those tags, go to your video, press Ctrl+V, and there it is. All your tags have been added, and this is how you add tags to your YouTube video. Thanks for watching.